To take advantage of Robinhood Gold, start by understanding the benefits of this premium service. Robinhood Gold offers extended trading hours, margin investing, and research reports from Morningstar. First, upgrade to Robinhood Gold by going to the Robinhood app, tapping the account icon, and selecting Robinhood Gold. You will need to meet certain eligibility requirements and pay a flat monthly fee. Next, take advantage of extended trading hours, which allow you to trade before and after the regular market hours. This can be beneficial for reacting to news and events that occur outside of regular trading hours. Then, use margin investing to borrow money from Robinhood and increase your buying power. However, be aware that margin investing involves risks, including the potential to lose more than your initial investment. Another benefit of Robinhood Gold is access to research reports from Morningstar. These reports provide in-depth analysis and ratings of stocks, which can help you make more informed investment decisions. To get the most out of Robinhood Gold, set a budget and stick to it, and do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, use the research reports to educate yourself and make informed investment decisions. Finally, monitor your account regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps and using the benefits of Robinhood Gold, you can take your investing to the next level and potentially increase your returns.